Show 'em what you got. Come on. You can do it. Go. Missy's going. Look at her. Hi, Shadow. Go, Miss Dora. Come here. Come here. Go, Shadow. Go, Shadow. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Shadow, I'm stuck. Go get the kids. Go get them. Missy, are you stuck? There they are. Aiden, is it deep? Oh no, is it deep? Huh? Okay, see if mommy can get. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's wrong? What? Your legs are cold? Dora. Hi, Dora. How you doing? Yes, I know. Mommy needs to figure out if she's going to get up. Hey, Shadow. There he goes. He's going to go. Uh-oh. That's how deep when the big dog can't run in it good. We know you're in trouble. Huh? Yeah. Okay. There's Switzer. She slid down. You want me to push you? Okay. All right. I'm coming.